Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, guys, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. If you're also yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So do yet to follow us on Telegram. Make sure you follow us on Telegram. The link will be in the comment section. So let's take a look at this GBPUSD. First of all, this is clearly a downtrend move, right? This is a simple movement, downtrend move. Now, take a look at something GBP is likely to play out in this London section. We can see that we are currently at a key level, and we should watch out what markets will do at this key level, because it's what I'm saying, a fall is much likely to play out at this level, which is much. But if it breaks out of this level, then fine, go ahead and buy. But with what I'm saying, there's possible sell at this level, so be very careful. So we can see that price gave us a reaction here, right? Price also gave us a reaction here. Then when price literally came to this same level, we had a reaction, then price eventually broke out of it, broke in. Now price is at this level. We can clearly see this as a false breakout, because a lot of people were speculating a sell here, so it went up, took out their stop loss. Now price is now back to this level, so there is a possible sell. I would say the possibility of a sell happening at this level is very high. Can it break above and continue to go bullish? Absolutely yes. It can actually continue with the uptrend move. But with what I'm saying, there's a possibility break, a drop on this GBPUSD. I mean, take a look at this massive movement, right? So once you see a massive movement, it will be very wrong for you to go ahead and continue buying. You would want to be patient and see what markets will do. By the way, we will be giving out a signal, a trade setup on this GBPUSD. We are currently looking at it. Once we can get the perfect entry, the perfect stop loss, the perfect take profits, we are going to share it on the Patreon channel. So if you are interested in the Patreon channel, you can click and join the Patreon channel so you get access to those high probability trade we will be sharing.